Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have a few Happy Meal packages that I would like to share. The first one is from Piper Paper Company, and there was a $1 sale a little while ago, so I kind of stocked up on stickers. I didn't expect them to be as tiny as they are, but I'll let you have a look at them. But that worked out just fine because I recently moved into my pocket rings, and I'm kind of using that as a personal planner. So these are a great size for my pocket rings. Okay, this is the freebie. I'm gonna have to zoom in a lot. So this is the freebie. So this is the fall mug deco sticker. And you see these are about the size of the palm of my hand. So the stickers are super teeny tiny, like a quarter of an inch. Yeah, around a quarter of an inch in size. So I got the mugs, the white pumpkin deco, the iced coffee, Starbucks cup, the sleep mask. I think these are really cute. The fall car ride, the black rover, computer, the red cup, the laptop. This is a day planner or planner. Oops. This is cold brew. As you can see, I got a lot of drinks. Okay, and then this is glasses. So I got all of those, and these will be perfect in my little personal planner. I think these will work out great. Okay, so that's the freebie that came with that one. Then I received a package, and I'm not sure who it is from. It was in my post office box. So we're gonna find out together on this one. Let's see if I can get it open. I kind of think I know who it's from. I think it's from, I think we can zoom out a little bit. Oops. I think it's from Washi Queen. Yeah. Oh, thank you. That is so sweet. Okay. So this is a little Happy Meal from the Washi Queen. I reviewed the washi wallet from the Washi Queen UK not long ago, and I'll leave a link to that video and to their website in the description box below. But I mentioned that because there were extra strings in the washi wallet, that it would be a good idea to also offer the inserts. So she sent me an insert. And she's already got the, wow, that is so nice and cool. It's already got the cards in here, so I can just wrap my washi around. Ooh, look at her, Halloween washi. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. Just in time for my real Halloween spread, too. Wow, these are really cute. So thank you, Washi Queen. I really appreciate that. I'm shocked. I kind of thought it was the washi wallet, but the envelope felt so thick. I'm like, no, I don't think that's what that is. But I guess I was right. Okay, so I got that. I also have an order from Crafting by the Pound that came in. This is what it looks like. I took it out of the main packaging, and this is how it was packaged inside. I am a brand ambassador for Crafting by the Pound, and I will put all of that information in the description box below. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what we've got. I like the way that they package their stickers. So let's see. So we've got these freebie die cuts. Very cute. Oh. Okay, so it's 2 orders of stickers actually. This is the first set. Vacuum floors, video edit, video upload, the silverware or eating utensils this week stickers, wash hair, and then the countdown for Thanksgiving. And I ordered these a little late, but that's my fault. Countdown to Halloween. So I think those are really, really cute. Look at this countdown to Thanksgiving. That's really cute. Okay, and then the other set, put those right there. We have a camera on a tripod. That feels awfully okay. A video edit or edit again. I need plenty of those. Laundry. Post office or mail. Upload. Laptop. Green trash can. Audiobook listen. Date dots. Weekend banners. 2 colors of those. And these are week dots. So you can number your spreads for the whole year, 1 through 52 for each week. And then the pink trash cans. So that's my order from Crafting by the Pound. All of the information will be in the description box below. It is craftingbythepound.com. You can use my code RACH15 to save 15% off your order. Okay. Then the next package I received, ta-da, Simply Gilded. So it came with the seal and this card. So this is the seal. Very cute. Buffalo plaid, my thing. And it says, I love fall most of all. It's got like the peachy pink pumpkins in the background. Okay. Good. And then my order was, of course, my favorite, the buffalo plaid with gold bows. I could have got this last year, I think, but there was such, I think it's sold out or something, I don't know, but I just was browsing around on the Simply Gilded website and saw these were in the shop, and I just went ahead and ordered them. So that's it for my Happy Meal. All of the information for all the shops will be listed below, and any discount codes that I have will be included below. So to celebrate becoming a brand ambassador for Crafting by the Pound, I am doing a giveaway, and the giveaway will include these stickers, this whole set right here. Oops. So So that's 13 sheets of stickers. Also, the giveaway will include a $10 shop credit for crafting by the pound. All the information to enter the giveaway will be listed in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Good luck on the giveaway. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.